good experience because they educated me and worked through the design and the implementation of the project, the capacity planning and the installation. And the software is particularly impressive because on a real-time basis it allows me to take a look at what the generation is, what the usage is, versus what the capacity planned was. And so that's a very useful thing to be a lifelong owner of the system. So feel good, and I would recommend that they be considered for your solar project. So on September 20th this year, 2021, we had a major power outage. And the power outage was going to last many hours, double-digit numbers of hours. But my battery kicked in. I've got an 8 kilowatt-hour storage battery, and it powered the 6 or 8 circuits in my house very easily. As a matter of fact, the solar was supplying power until the solar generation would go down. And then the battery would come and actually take me through the night. So that's a very nice setup. That was a good relief to have.